everyone made us feel comfortable and that I actually learnt a lot and didn't have to pay for anything, and there was no gimmicks or anything like that.
Just the process of the correct order to go through when trying to choose an investment property.
The different interest rates and how it impacts on capital gains.
And it was really informative, and I really enjoyed the night and got a lot out of it.
Night with all the information given. I thought I knew a lot.
Fundamentals, buying powers.
I've been meaning to put a plan in action for a long time, but I decided I needed more information, so I thought I'd be able to get something out of it.
I would rate the night 5 stars.
Definitely 5+ star.
Masterclass session tonight out of 6.
Would rate the night out of 10, 10.
I would rate the night out of 5, probably 5. It was a good night where it was informative and not selling, that was the main thing, because most of these places when you go end of it you're sort of pushed to sign up or do anything. That was a refreshing change to see it wasn't a selling experience.
0 out of 10, and then at the end of the night I actually had 10 out of 10.
About 0, but then towards the end of the night it was about a 10.
3 to at least an 8, which is really good and just gave some great understanding of what I didn't know in the market.
It was 1 out of 10, but yes, I actually came out with 9 out of 10.
6, I think at the end it was 10. I know about things but not look that deep into it.
My name is Angela.
Hi, I'm Samara.
My name's Elizabeth.
My name's Matt.
Hi, my name is Deepa.
And I highly recommend anyone who want to invest in the future anytime, but start now, start to think now, and I think get educated. Yeah.
Come in, it's really relaxing and it's a really good seminar.
It's free and there's no pushiness and lots of things to be learnt.
This is the place to go because they don't sell you product, they teach you to buy the product.
I'd say definitely give it a go. It's great to get knowledge from other people and other sources. And
At 10, you've got nothing to lose.
I think everybody should come and see this. It's amazing. They don't try to sell you anything, guys. It's all amazing information and stuff you don't really hear from real estate agents.